Looking for a drill rig that delivers power, precision, and durability? Meet the factory new HDD series horizontal drill rig machine, a 32-ton beast built for serious professionals. With a maximum drilling depth of 500 meters and torque up to 3,200 Newton meters. It's engineered for challenging construction, mining, and energy projects. The high-efficiency diesel engine, crawler mobility, and adjustable drilling angle up to 28 degrees make it adaptable to any terrain or task. Need accuracy? The spindle speed of 120 revolutions per minute and powerful PLC-controlled motor ensures smooth and controlled drilling every time. Backed by a 1-year warranty on all core components and CE certification. This machine is ready for international operations. Want to know the best part? It's available right now, but stock is limited. Click the link below to buy or request a quote today. Let your next project start with the right foundation. With Yugong's HDD series drill rig.